Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're talking about a total transformation. We're going to explore how to take a chaotic, stressful workspace and turn it into a highly productive, incredibly safe environment. If you've ever felt totally overwhelmed by a messy shop floor or a cluttered office, well, let's dive into how we can fix that.
Take a second and ask yourself, have you ever walked into a workplace where absolutely everything is spotless, perfectly organized, and instantly easy to find? Think about how that environment feels. It's calm, right? It just hums with efficiency. Well, that kind of incredible organization isn't just luck, and it's definitely not magic.
It's actually the direct result of something called the 5S methodology. Now, if you're not familiar, this is a powerful lean manufacturing workplace organization system that was originally developed in Japan. Its whole goal is to actively eliminate waste, boost efficiency, and above all, create a much safer working environment. Industry giants, companies like Toyota, along with thousands of others worldwide, literally rely on this exact framework every single day to maximize their productivity.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here's the roadmap we'll be navigating today. We'll start with the chaos and the cure, then, breaking down the 5 S's, take a look at the workshop makeover, cover reaping the benefits, and finally wrap up with avoiding common mistakes.
So Part 1, the chaos and the cure.
The name 5S actually comes directly from 5 Japanese words. First, we have Seiri, which means sort, then Seiton, meaning set in order. Seiso translates to shine, Seiketsu means standardize, and finally, Shitsuke means sustain. The real beauty of this system is that these aren't just isolated ideas. These 5 concepts work together as a holistic cure for workspace chaos, ensuring that every single item has a proper place.
All right, Part 2, breaking down the 5 S's.
Let's move along and see how this built, because this isn't a pick-and-choose menu. It's a strict, chronological roadmap, moving step by step from sorting all the way through to sustaining.
Step 1 is Seiri, or sort. The rule here is incredibly simple. Remove unnecessary items from the workplace and keep absolutely only what is necessary. I mean, look around your own workspace right now and ask yourself, do you truly use that specific tool regularly? Is that dusty spare part taking up valuable real estate actually needed? Is that stack of printed documents outdated? If the answer is yes, it's time to clear it out. It's kind of like that universal junk drawer we all have in our kitchens, but on a massive industrial scale.
And this brilliantly illustrates the point. Imagine a maintenance shop that has a bucket of 100 unused, random bolts just sitting on a workbench. Instead of keeping that junk around just in case, the sort step demands that you remove that unnecessary inventory and keep only the exact stock you actually require for current tasks. The results? You instantly get less clutter, noticeably more space, and ultimately much faster work because you aren't digging through a pile of useless metal.
Okay, so once you've cleared the junk, you move to step 2, Seiton, or set in order. This means arranging your remaining necessary items so they are incredibly easy to find and, just as importantly, easy to return. Every single item needs a clearly designated location and has to be easily accessible to whoever needs it.
So, how do we do this practically? Visual cues are a real game changer here. Think of shadow boards for tools, where the outline of a wrench is literally painted on the wall so you know exactly where it belongs. Think of heavily labeled shelves, clear floor markings indicating where pallets should sit, and color-coded storage bins. By setting things in order this way, your team spends significantly less time searching and a whole lot more time actually doing their jobs.
That brings us to step 3, Seiso, or shine. This simply means cleaning the workplace regularly. But here is the absolute secret weapon of 5S. Cleaning is also inspection. When you're forced to wipe down a machine, you are naturally looking at it very closely. You're actively inspecting it for hidden abnormalities.
For example, imagine making the daily cleaning of an electrical control panel or maintenance equipment a mandatory routine. While you're shining up that equipment, you might suddenly notice a slow oil leak, a loose bolt, or maybe a damaged cable. Because of this shine step, problems are detected and fixed long before catastrophic failures ever occur. It's basically preventative maintenance cleverly disguised as cleaning.
Next up is step 4, Seiketsu, or standardize. Now, you can sort, set in order, and shine all you want, but if you don't standardize, you're going to be right back to a messy workshop in a week. This step is all about creating standard procedures to maintain those first 3 steps. It is literally the vital glue that holds the entire methodology together.
Standardization is built using concrete tools.
We're talking about implementing strict cleaning schedules, creating step-by-step inspection checklists, establishing company-wide visual standards and color coding, and of course, writing clear standard operating procedures, or SOPs. The goal here is simple. Everyone, no matter what shift they're on, follows the exact same method. This locks in your gains and guarantees consistency across the whole organization.
Finally, we reach step 5, Shitsuke, meaning sustain. Honestly, this is often considered the hardest step because it requires sheer, unwavering discipline to continue practicing 5S every single day. It's about building a habit so strong that it just becomes second nature.
So the crucial point here is that 5S is absolutely not a one-time spring cleaning activity. To sustain it, you need regular audits to ensure standards are met. You need ongoing employee training, a relentless focus on continuous improvement, and genuine visible commitment from management. When done correctly, the result is that 5S stops being just a project and becomes a permanent, lasting company culture.
Moving on to part 3, the workshop makeover.
Now, what's really interesting to think about here is the sheer night and day difference. Before 5S, picture a workshop where tools are just scattered on every flat surface. There are oil spills on the floor, good spare parts are mixed in with broken ones, and workers are constantly delayed because they have to hunt for equipment. It's frustrating and, frankly, dangerous. Now imagine the after. Tools are perfectly mounted on shadow boards. The floors are spotless. Storage racks are meticulously labeled, allowing for dramatically faster maintenance work and vastly improved safety. It is a complete paradigm shift.
Part 4. Reaping the benefits.
The rewards here are absolutely massive, especially if you're an engineer, a technician, or a production supervisor. You get a cleaner workplace and massively improved safety. Because things are organized, you instantly see higher productivity and reduced downtime. Daily cleaning leads to better equipment reliability and much faster maintenance. Because everything is standardized, inspections and audits are an absolute breeze. And please don't underestimate the human element here. Working in a clean, organized space vastly improves employee morale, which inevitably leads to better product quality across the board.
And finally, Part 5. Avoiding common mistakes. You'll want to pay close attention to these errors because they will cause a pristine workshop to slide right back into chaos in a matter of weeks. The biggest mistake? Treating 5S as a one-time event rather than a daily practice. Other fatal errors include a lack of true management support, failing to involve the actual employees who work in the space, neglecting to perform regular audits, and implementing poor labeling or inconsistent standards. Basically, if you don't sustain the effort, the chaos will return for sure. This leaves us with one final, very important question to consider. Is your 5S just a one-time cleaning event, or are you actually building a lasting culture? Mastering these 5S steps, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain, is an absolutely essential skill for modern industry. I hope this explainer gave you the roadmap you need to transform your own workspace. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you next time.
Master the 5S methodology. Sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Create a safer, cleaner, and more productive workplace with lean principles.